It was just over 1 month ago when in the middle of the night, thieves targeted this Medford home.
2 wall plaques that were 6 feet, 7 feet tall.
The 2 80-pound plaques once sat on this porch. Sam Lupini says they were a gift from a friend who fought in Vietnam. He says thieves are responsible.
Yeah, they're coming in anywhere. And it's my belief that mostly it's druggies that are selling them or whatever they're doing to they can get more money for drugs.
On Wednesday, Medford police arrested 33-year-old Tommy Loftus after a search warrant of his home revealed not only methamphetamine, but a large amount of stolen items, including drills, chainsaws, and construction tools. Police believe that Loftus was taking the stolen property and trading it for drugs.
Nothing makes you more upset than having something stolen from you. And especially right there right next to your front door.
Victims like Lupini are left feeling violated. The only property on his porch these days aren't of any value. In Medford, Courtney Olish, NBC5 News.